Hi, welcome to Atlas AI Dev YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to use Chat-GPT TTS with our plugin with text-to-speech pro version. So first of all, you have to integrate Chat-GPT API with our plugin. How do you integrate? Just add the API key which is generated by with your OpenAI platform, which I already generated for testing purpose, and I copied it and add it here. And after that, after the saving, then you must go to the customization menu. Otherwise, it will not work because uh, we have many player, default player, default pro, Google TTS Pro, Google Cloud Text to Speech, and ChatGPT. You have to select this one if you want to use ChatGPT TTS. Then you have to, after that, it says the customization is saved. Now go to the listening menu and to select proper language and voice. And now let's go to the listening menu. And in my case, my site language is English, and I would like to generate the MP3 file in voice alloy. So and then you can select the model from here, also the voice speed, which is said that you can add the voice speed to 0.252 4.0, and then save it. Now it's okay, all setup done. I already generated the mp3 file for testing purpose. Let's see how it sounds.
Industry's standard dummy text ever since the 50s. What is lorem ipsum? What is lorem ipsum? Lorem ipsum is simply dummy.
You can see that the mp3 file is from ChatGPT. So let's delete the mp3 file and regenerate it again. Okay, now it's regenerated.
What is lorem ipsum? What is lorem?
See, the mp3 file is generated. So one thing more, if you want to generate the mp3 file bulk way, that means we have recently introduced a new feature which is bulk mp3 generation. Then you have to select from here, generate the mp3 file to this space, and after that the mp3 file will be generated. So this is how you can generate the mp3 file. Thank you so much. I hope you understand. If you have any question, please feel free to ask in the comments below. And if you want to know more about our pro version, I'll keep all the links in the description below. See you in the next video.